Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add all your Instagram following on Threads. So the first thing that we are going to do is open our Threads, and here is my account right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click my followers. As you can see, I have 0 followers as of the moment, and I'm going to go ahead and click following. Now here, after clicking on following, you should be able to see something like this. Now it says here, see others you're following on Instagram that you're not following on Threads yet. So here I can just go ahead and click the see all button, and I can just go ahead and started following them. There you go. So it says that this person is not yet on Threads, but if they are going to join Threads, then you will automatically be able to follow them. But here on the bottom, you will be able to see an option there that says follow all. So you can go ahead and click that one. Now it says here to confirm. Basically what this is saying is that everyone who is already on Threads, you will be able to follow them right away. However, those who haven't joined, you will be able to follow them right after they join. So just go ahead and click confirm button. Alright, and it says here that it'll take a minute before everything here is going to be updated. So let's just close this one first. Click this once again and click the following. So it seems like these are the only people who are already here on Threads. And you have here the pending. So these are the pending here. And yep, congratulations everyone. Now you know how to add all your Instagram following on Threads.